I was saying, we've been here for a week. We asked for things to be fixed. The host is not fixing them, so we're trying to do a refund from Airbnb. Cancel the rest of our stay here. Again, we booked for an entire month, so trying to get our money back on that. And then, find another choice. To check into it again, it is high season, so I know things are limited and they are way more expensive than they should be, in my opinion. So we'll see. We'll see what we get into next. As always, like the video, leave me a comment. What do you think? The price here? Is it worth it? In my opinion, to be honest with you, this is way too expensive for things to be yes, far.
Always in my videos, man.
Good for life.
It's over.
Followers, you know, they gotta make sure I'm okay.
Always in my videos. Dog park. Hola. It's in my videos. Chill spot. With you see there? Chill spot outlets. That's pretty cool. Oh shit! Yeah, USB outlets. That's pretty cool. I'm heading to Fifth Ave right now to record some content. We got a basketball court, soccer field, combo. That's pretty cool. It's a soccer goal and a basketball court combo. It's really nice. Yeah, this is Mexico. Beautiful Mexico. Hola.
Hola.
Beautiful, beautiful Mexico. And a little playground, play area. See that? Swings and stuff. Okay, and we're at the there's a pool, a gym. I'll take a look at that really quickly. Really big complex. That's the pool. I'm gonna go inside. There's a gym. We have access to the gym. And it's because it's during COVID time. Just simply need to set up a time to ahead of time, book a few slots. It's a guard shack right there. In order to use the gym and the pool, just book a few slots or a slot in 24 hours ahead of time. And that's it. All right, let's jump inside really quickly and see if I need to put my mask on. Probably do, but I'm gonna do it with it. Hola. That's the gym. I'm gonna peek. Baby, don't hurt me. That's pretty cool. And it overlooks the pool. Gracias. Oh, perfect. Okay. She unlocked the door for me. Here's the pool. Oh my goodness. Really, really nice place. Chill area. Outdoor sink. I don't believe there are any. So, I haven't gotten in just yet, but I probably will either today or tomorrow. This is the gym right there. Yeah. It's really clean here. It's a barbecue. A space for a barbecue. Barbecue grill. Alright, this spot. Another one right there. Little play area for the kids. Little dip pool for the kids. And a few chairs. Going around. I want to take a look at this. What's going on? Yeah, this pool is beautiful. Oh yeah, there are bathrooms. Let's do that really quickly. Outdoor showers, of course. 2 showers right here. And yeah, the bathroom. This one right here. And another one. Oh my god, they're super clean. Wow, they're really, really clean. Highly impressed with this place. Hola. Hello. Highly, highly impressed. Like I said, I'm heading down to Fifth Ave to record some content. Man, they got tons of fans, ceiling fans. Like 6 total for just this space. Okay, and like I said, I saw this from over there. Napkins or a paper towel or something. A sink. Alright, check this out. Wow. Okay. I think that's it. I showed you the clubhouse. Showed you basketball court, the playground area, the pool. Look at that. And it's like 80 degrees right now, 75, 80 degrees. And I showed you the gym. There's some people inside right now. I love the roof. It actually reminds me of buildings, other buildings in Indonesia. Alright, let's pop outside, check out the security shack. At the entrance, you need a FAB card to get into the complex. You can't just really get in. You gotta have. And my girlfriend's outside. Hold on. Alright, so there's a security shack right there. And then, oh my freaking ankle hurts right there. Alright, that's it. And then there's another across the street. Like another complex in short. Alright, that's it for now. I'm gonna 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's me in Mexico, Playa del Carmen. I'm having a great time though. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Definitely hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think of this tour. The tour of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath Airbnb unit. And come on now, hit me up in the comment. Let me know what you think. Roughly $775 for 30 days. It was well worth it. We are at least about 10-15 minutes away. So, alright, I gotta go now. Alright, peace and one love.